Hi, this is Michelle from Montech, and I am going to show you modified keyboards on your iOS device. Right here you can see some third-party keyboards that I've downloaded. You just go to the App Store, download them, and then you'll go into your settings, General, hit Keyboard, and then at the top it says Keyboards. You click on that. Down at the bottom it says Add New Keyboard, and these would be all the third-party keyboards you have added. I have already added a bunch here, and so I'll show you how those work here in a second. First, I want to show you text replacement. If you click on this, if I type AT, it will type out assistive technology. This would be really great for somebody who maybe can't type out their whole email and could just have a shortcut so that their email would pop up. Very useful for shortcuts. So I'm going to go out of this, and I'm going to go into my notes. This would be the keyboard that you typically have on your device. Down here, there's this world symbol. If you touch and hold that down, the keyboards you've downloaded will pop up. So these are all the keyboards that I have. Let's start with the Dyslexia Keyboard. This keyboard is $49.99. It has great word prediction, and it will speak the word aloud. A long tap on the word will give you a definition, and it also has a great spell checker. So I'll show you how this works. If I type house, I can speak it, so I can hear what I typed. If I don't know what one of the words are at the top, I can touch them.
Householders.
If I don't know what it means, I hold it down for a definition.
Household. One family, two persons living.
So this app is for people that have dyslexia. Now I'm going to go and hold, and we're going to go to the next keyboard. Let's go to Swift Keys. Swift Keys is a free app where you slide your fingers so that you don't have to lift your finger or your hand to type. It also has the word prediction at the top. So let's try this one. So you just slide your finger, you can go over the space key to leave a space, and you can type out a whole sentence here. So this one is called Swift Keys. Let's go to the next keyboard, which would be Keeble. Keeble is $24.99, and this would be for users with fine motor challenges, switch users, and users with vision impairment. So you would go into the app if you needed to use this with a switch, and that's where you would turn on this setting. Basically, right now, we just have large keys with the white and black. You can change the color on this. All of that is done within that app. Super Keys. Super Keys is $12.99, and this would be for people with mild to moderate physical challenges and those with low vision. So if I wanted to use this keyboard, I could touch anywhere in this yellow section, and it will pop up my letters larger. I can type an H, and then you just keep going like that to type. It gives you a larger area to target. My other favorite thing about this keyboard is the shortcuts. So you can add any shortcuts you want, and then when you hit these, it will just automatically type that up at the top for you. So the keyboard has built-in shortcuts. You can also change the colors and layouts of this. You would go back, you'd go into the app, and then you would go to Super Keys, Settings, and in here is where you could change the color and the look of your keyboard. I think I have one more keyboard to show you. Let's see. The KeyDogo keyboard. So this one is free, and this is designed for children and young students who just started to read, write, and type. Has a really simple layout with only the essential keys, so early readers can focus on developing their typing skills. And as you can see, there's numbers and there's letters, and the vowels are a different color. And again, some of this is customizable in the app. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Montech, and have a great day.